How to check orders and shopping activity on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram with the latest version. Now open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on the profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Then simply scroll down. Now under your orders and fundraisers, simply tap on orders and payments. Now under recent activity, you can find all of the orders and shopping activity of your Instagram account. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.